So I Love Video TV is a video discovery application which provides a curated and personalized stream towards end users on all digital channels. So that means web, PC, desktop, and mobile. What we basically do is we have a set of algorithms which learn about the user's viewing habits, viewing situation, and also context information, which will allow us to put them down a track of essentially a great linear viewing experience. So essentially the industry was very much B2B focused, fueling really the industry and the ecosystem with advertising monies in order to grow. We feel was the right point in time now to refocus exactly the emphasis and the focus towards the end user. How do we really provide a really compelling service, content and video service towards end users, which will then inadvertently will generate more quality audio, more quality inventory. So our approach was all about curation, creating really a compelling, curated viewing experience by means of algorithms which we internally developed, which will learn about the usage situation, about usage behavior or context data in order to really provide a TV-like experience. We feel that within the entire discussion within the industry, content and the user has had the short end of the stick, and that's what we're trying to change. So the first metrics which were looked at were naturally speaking, how many content assets does a user really consume within an entire session, and the first results are extremely encouraging. From 2 to 3 clips basically on an average session, we've increased it to 6, 7, 8 clips, up to a dwell time of 25 minutes per user session. So, which confirms that understanding exactly what the user wants to see and really catering and offering exactly towards the desires of the user is the right way to follow. So essentially we have candy content which we essentially attract users with. But then really based upon their user history, also based upon individual choices which they make while engaging with the content, be it by completing a video or by sharing or liking a video, that we can zoom in on exactly a very specific track, meaning that any content may come into play, right? As a novelty, we have developed 3 different algorithms. One algorithm which basically works on context. That means if you watch one content about, let's say, the World Cup, we'll show you another football video. Then we have one which is based on collaborative filtering, essentially. What other users have watched may be interesting to you. And at last, we're developing a social track, whereas we're condensing trending topics into metadata in order to develop really a social track, social viewing track for users.